One of the things I want to go ahead and bring up here, I love the product. I love you're thinking experience, you're thinking fun, you're thinking how do we make an experience outweigh the cost, right? And I love how the differentiation here is, you could obviously adjust it. You could attach it to the sides of the ping pong table, right? The thing is, these are around, right? They're around, they're saturated. They're all over the globe. The thing is, they're hot, they're popular, and people buy them. The thing is, people are buying them to go for their beer pong party, or for their ping pong table that they know they know they're going to have tomorrow. They know they're going to have next week. They're going to Target to get this today. They're going to Walmart to get this for their party tomorrow, right? They're not going to get hit with impulse on this and instantly say, oh shit, I'm going to get this because I'm buying a part. I'm going to wait to get hit with an ad for this for my party next week, right? So, or let's say, oh, I need a new net. I'm going to wait to get hit with an ad. That's the thing. Right. I want to get a ping pong table. Let me wait to get hit with it. It's just not the most impulse product. It is a great item. The differentiation is there. I want you to understand that your head's in the right place about the differentiation. Normally and traditionally, they wouldn't have these levers. It would just be normal. It wouldn't go ahead and come closer together either. Okay. This shows product differentiation, right? But it's just not the actual type of item that someone would buy on an impulse based scenario. Does that make sense, Jake? This is a phenomenal item. Okay. You did very, very well with the product research. This is the type of item that can do very well. Okay. Now that we are in the time of Instagram, the time of TikTok, the time of ads, and all this incredible movement forward in technological space, items like this go the extra mile. And quite frankly, whether you're on a Zoom call, whether you're a closer, whether you're someone doing a live event, whether you're doing a show, this is something that's incredible. Okay. And it has mass market appeal because there's some mass market of people in this game at this point. And damn, does it have differentiation? Does it have that convenience factor as well? Okay. This is absolutely phenomenal item, is not available in brick and mortar across the globe, is not saturated at this point in time, and meets all those pieces of the product index criteria. You have great reviews here, and the price is freaking ridiculous because guess what? Just like we were talking about with Dylan before, this is freaking perceived value. Okay. If we ever seen it. Okay. Because guess what? The value of this is being able to go ahead and do, going to head and do your, let's say you're a YouTuber and you make income off YouTube. The value of this is the income that you make off YouTube now, and you being able to do this, right? That's the real, the value is not $12.84. The value is whatever you doing this at high quality is to you. That's the value. The goal here is to make the usage, benefit, and utility of the product truly outweigh the price point. And this is one of the most incredible examples of that I've seen today. Okay. Does everyone kind of see that? I literally would get this for myself. Okay. And the thing is, not even just me specifically, you guys know I'm not a content guy, right? I barely make YouTube content. I'm not a content guy, right? I'm an entrepreneur. I like to be behind the scenes doing it. I don't like to make content. Right. So for me, this is something that would be easy because the reason I don't like making it is because I hate setting up the camera, doing all this random crap. I'd rather just put it up real quick and do it. Right. Because that's what I like to do. And a lot of people are the same way. And I've had, a student of ours actually had a similar product in the same exact marketplace with something similar with a camera that, is on auto. Is when you're recording yourself, it auto adjusts and looks as you move around. Similar item here. Okay. This is an item that has massive potential. Fidel says your content is fire, though. I appreciate you, Fidel. I'm definitely trying to put out more content as well. I'm just so busy doing actual business, Anyway. But yeah, with that, feedback. No, for sure, Raj. And Raj, with that being said, okay. Great job. Your head's in the right place there. This is a proper item. And this is exactly the type of item that can do well. Okay. And also I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a hint of other items where the benefit or actual item outweighs the actual cost is the film industry. Camera backpacks, camera straps, camera bipods, camera tripods. Okay. All of these things, the actual price outweighs, the actual benefit outweighs the price. Okay. I'm not talking about the $8,000 cameras, I'm talking about like the $80, flipping tripods and things like that. Okay. The little, knickknacks that just make filming that much better, because you could get that angle, or you could go ahead and hit that ocean background while you're in Vegas or something like that, right? That's what you're looking to do here. So Raj, phenomenal choice here, my friend. Absolutely passes. Golfers use this, golfers need this, golfers want this, and they buy it. Thing is, they have one or they buy it from the golf shop, right? And this one's way too expensive. So the thing is, this is a good product, right? This is a winner. I want you to know, your head's in the right place. This is a winning product. The thing is, this became a winner probably like 8 years ago, right? This has been in the marketplace too long. All the golfers who want one probably have one. Everyone who wants one is going to get one because they're going to go and buy one, or they're going to go ahead and specifically get it as a gift. This is not really the most impulsive item, because most golfers know that if they need one, they're just going to go buy one. It's not really impulsive. It's too expensive. And it's just been in the industry, the golf industry, for so long to where it's not new. It's been in the game, which is good. Okay. Even if it has like a bit of a different, the range difference, I believe, is what the differentiation is here. But again, like every one of them has a range difference pretty much. So I would advise that we stay away, but I want you to know this item is a winner. That's why it sells so much. So that's why everyone has one. So your mind's in the right place. This definitely helps the game of golf. It's definitely an item that will do well. If everyone didn't have one and it randomly just came to marketplace now as a newer item, less saturated, but it's just a bit too saturated. Everyone has one, and it's not much of an impulse item as well. Do you kind of see how that plays out there? Okay. There is a tool that is a ring that you put on your back or you put behind you. And most people, or every single person who's new to golf, which is the people who are new to golf, probably don't already have things in golf. When they go ahead and have their stroke, for example, they're standing up, they have to go ahead and hit like that. Half the people don't know how to properly swing, right? So there's an actual contraption that, or a ring that, this is a product, by the way, that not many people know about, hint, hint, okay? You set it up behind you and you take it and you go back, and it helps you perfect your swing, and it swings all the way through. Right? There's other items like that in the marketplace, but there's items that have differentiation for perfecting your swing, okay, differently than most items that do the same thing. It's not overly saturated, but it's getting there, but it's an item that does do well. So I want you to look more in that realm, okay, rather than the binocular realm. My reasoning is because that product is probably for new golfers. New golfers probably don't already own the 9 hedge, the 9 wedge, the binocular, everything to do with golf yet, which means that if you're getting this person to buy something from you with golf, and you're going to go ahead and also sell other golf items, you're probably going to go ahead and get more of a better consistency and demand here, because these people actually need to perfect their stroke before they ever go deeper in golf. So it's a necessity if they ever want to do golf. And as they get better, they'll go ahead and possibly buy from you again because they're familiar with you. So it's definitely a good market to get into if you can actually see that opportunity there. Yes, this is definitely a phenomenal item to move forward with, because all the points that you mentioned here, obviously it's straight up pain relief, right? It passes almost all of the actual pieces of the product index. And I actually have personal friends who own brands in this exact same marketplace, right? So I know that it's already doing well. So with that being said, okay, I would say absolutely, definitely go ahead and pass this item. As we can see, okay, it improves convenience because you no longer have to go to the doctor or get some weird crap to go ahead and get your headache, to go ahead and stop, right? It's obviously an item that improves, the quality of life, because someone's just feeling better now. They're not like feeling crappy, right? All these points are made. Very, very easy to see how these product index points are made and are met here. Now, again, I definitely love this item. Okay, I would say you definitely should pass it. Only thing is, I have a very, very big hunch this is going to get saturated over the next few months. So do yourself a favor and try to incorporate massive marketing angle differentiation and overall differentiation from the start. This way, when it comes time to go ahead and pivot a bit deeper into that differentiation, you're already halfway there. But this will definitely pass Fidel for sure. The point here is anything that's actually having real pain, not just oh, I want to get richer. Not that pain, the pain of, oh, my head hurts, right? That pain, okay? That's the type of pain that can do very, very, very well. When you're actually healing physical pain, okay, that is a very, very good market to be inside, my friend.